Watching the phases that I went through to get to this, I really feel like a shapeshifter.
Choose your character.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been so excited to do this video. I really wanted to do a hair care and my hair straightening routine for you guys. I'm someone who wears my hair straight 99% of the time. I feel like it's pretty healthy considering, so I really wanted to share the products I use, any tips that I have, because I know it's a struggle out here keeping our hair healthy and cute at the same time. I do post videos weekly, so please make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, and if you're interested in finding out how I get my hair this straight, please keep watching. Honestly, I just really want to applaud myself because this is my 3rd video in and I'm already risking it all for YouTube, showing it all. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To start, and I cannot stress this enough, please invest in a really good shampoo and conditioner. I use Joico, which is salon quality, and I know that can be expensive, but I'm gonna put you guys on really quickly. $16.99 at Marshall's each, and they do have the smaller bottles that are $7.99, so if you want to try them out, you can get a really good deal at Marshall's. I either use this or I use Olaplex, but I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo and condition my hair with this. I'm honestly so bold for getting on camera looking like this. So at this point, while my hair is still wet, I like to put in an Olaplex treatment. I never straighten my hair without doing Olaplex and doing a hair mask. It has to happen. It's the number 3, and I'll let this sit in my hair for 30 minutes to an hour. Wrap it up into one. We take a shower cap. Looking like a favorite lunch lady. Just rinsed out my hair. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. They have it at Target, they have it at Ulta, they have it at CVS. When I tell you, there have been times when I've done my hair and tried not to do a hair mask, I have noticed a huge difference. Trust me. While my hair is still wet, while my edges are still fluffy, I'm gonna take the hair mask and we're gonna put it all over our head. So just like the Olaplex, we're gonna throw it in a bun or a low pony. We're gonna look like a young colonial man. We're gonna put on the shower cap. I just washed the Shea Moisture Mask out of my hair, and when I tell you my hair felt like butter, fantastic. So what we're going to do now, one of the most important steps of straightening your hair is blow dry. I just recently got this Revlon brush blow dryer. I don't know what it's called. I got it from Target. It was like 30 something bucks because my blow dryer broke, and I've been liking this a lot. My hair is really thick, so what I do is I section it into 4 parts, and then I'm going to spray it with some heat protectant. If you guys get anything from this video, please buy this product here. This is the best heat protectant. I don't like creams. I don't like any of that stuff. This is spray. It works fantastic. It does protect your hair and it doesn't make it feel heavy like a lot of heat protectants do. I put it in my hair before I blow dry it while it's wet, and then a little bit before I straighten it. And when I tell you, it's probably the only reason I still have hair, I mean it. So we're gonna go ahead and section my head and then we're gonna blow dry. Making these some things that I'm going to. So what I did is I just sectioned this front part and then pulled the rest back out of the way. And then I take the Tresemme spray and just spray it. This stuff does not make your hair heavy, so you can be real generous with it. A lot of people don't realize blow drying is the most important part of straightening your hair. So when it's not completely like bone dry, that's why after like it'll look like this. So what I do, I just take the section that I've blow dried. Oh my god, it is so soft. I twist it like a little bantu knot. Then I take a hair tie and tie it up. We're just gonna repeat. This blow dryer is amazing. It works so quick. But this is what it's looking like. It is completely dry. Right, so I just finished blow drying my hair. It feels so soft. I tried to get as much curl out of the roots. And this is what your hair should be like. It should be as straight as possible before you straighten it. I'm gonna go ahead and give my hair a break for like 10 minutes. I like to give it a few seconds to make sure my scalp and my roots are dry. And also, I need some water, so we'll be back. All right, so now I'm gonna get ready to straighten my hair. I threw on a little bit of makeup because I really gotta pick a struggle. I can't do both face and hair. So right now I'm letting my flat iron heat up. This is probably the oldest flat iron on the planet. We've had it for 15 years. It's called Sarah Magic Quick by Create. I think this is one of the first like ceramic flat irons that came out when it started to become a thing. I set it at 400 degrees. I know that's probably not great, but we're not going to do too many passes. What I do for this part is I'm going to use these duckbill clips, and my biggest key in getting my hair done as quick as possible, since I have a lot of hair and it's thick, is sectioning. I promise you, sectioning is your best friend. So you're gonna part it down the middle, and then I take the first section like so. Go forward, and like we did with the blow dryer, we're gonna twist like it's a Bantu knot. Total, I do 6 sections. Here, like this. And then we're gonna take the back and do the same thing. Leave one section out, the section that I want to start with, a little section, and we're going to take the hair that we're going to be working on and pinning it up top like this, so it's easy to grab. A lot of work. It is what it is, no one's gonna see it. So we just want to get those straight. Look at that, one section done in just a few minutes. So I am on my last section of hair. It has been just under an hour, which for me is usually the normal amount of time it takes for me to do my hair, which is actually really quick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish. So my camera ended up dying, but I just finished my hair. It took me exactly an hour, which is fantastic. I want to show you how it looks. So this is the finished product. It looks super shiny, super healthy, and it feels really, really soft. And it's like pin straight. I'm telling you guys, I kid you not, the products that you put in your hair matter. Have the most expensive blow dryer, and you honestly don't have to have the most expensive flat iron, but when it comes to your hair, I do think you should invest in products that are good for your hair. And before I forget, I did top it off with the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil, which is this guy right here. A little bit goes a long way. I literally only put like 2 dots in my hand, rub them together, and then I make sure I don't do it on my roots because that will make it heavy and make your hair get greasy really quickly, but it adds a nice shine, and it is a heat protectant, including the sun. So I know that that was kind of an excessive hair care routine. You do not have to do all the steps. If you want to go ahead and do a hair mask when you do your hair, if you want to go ahead and just do the bonding treatment, you can alter it however you alter it. But like I said, I invest a lot in my hair because I want it to be healthy and I want it to look good. I wrap my hair every single night, so this is going to last me probably 3 weeks. And I also recommend invest in a good dry shampoo, and that'll make it last even longer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments below if you decide to pick up and try any of these products or if you already use them. As mentioned, I do post new videos weekly, so please make sure you subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram and on Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next video.